from the provider TuyuBEE is a 2-package remote control spotlight. As we open up the product, it comes in 2 colors. This one is in black, marked on the box, and show you how nicely they are packaged. They come with an instruction guide, remote control on how to use your product. As we take each individual one out, we'll unbox the unit. As the box is open, it is 110-volt VAC, packaged in plastic. They're smaller than a hand. They're remote control with adjustable light that you simply screw forward for adjustment on a gimbal that swivels around. Each unit is ran by remote control. Please remove its protective film from the unit. You have your on and off, different modes and colors to control the unit and timer. With an optional drill and bit, hang up on the wall or place anywhere imaginable. You have 2 holes, take off, screw on, and you're ready to use. In this demonstration, we're unscrewing the base. We're releasing the back base and placing on the wall like so and locking down. Align up the sides, press on, and place back the side screws. Plug into AC. With the black on black switch, non-light, the unit lights up and shines. As we aim down and adjust for the level of wideness, the width of the light, we have a spotlight from a narrow to a wide. We're going to demonstrate individual remote controls for each of the spotlight. We can remote turn off both at the same time using the remote control by pointing at the lights. They dim down and off they go. We have on the remote control the ons. They individually turn on each remote control. We have on the top layer. As we press and hold, we're changing the Kelvin from cool to warm. We have on the bottom a brightness level, dimming down to increasing. We have a 2, 4, and 18 on the rotation. We have a 3000 Kelvin, a 4000 Kelvin, a 6000 Kelvin, 10%, 50%, and 100% brightness. The 500 lumens with the 50,000 lifespan remote control. We have the on and off, the Kelvin changes, the brightness levels, and the timer, and to repeat on a 24-hour cycle to turn on for 2 hours each day. And that is the soft Kelvin to a high Kelvin from 2, 4, 6,000 with a 10, 50, and 100% brightness. What we're going to do is set this up in an area and show you what the light looks like in a low-level situation. We have the light hooked up, turning on. In a low-level shot, 100%, 600 lumens, and adjusting the beam. Plants, sculptures, and more. We're going to give a warm Kelvin, medium Kelvin, cool Kelvin, and lower the brightness level by holding down to 10% for 50% and 100%. And then we're going to switch on over from warm to cool by holding the switch and then back. With one lit up and turning on the other, at 100%, lighting up in the center. This gives you an idea of how the unit works. As you can see how nice and bright it is. We can make the spotlight wide. That throws more light as you adjust. I hope these are the products that you are looking for. Individual remote control spotlights for your sculpture, plants, hanging on the wall, or putting on the base and placing anywhere where you need to have 110-volt and lighting needs. Enjoy your product and thank you for viewing. If this is the right product, 2-pack for you.